Hi everyone, it's been a long while, but I'm back. It's a different type of decor. I'm in my office right now. So today I wanted to show you 5 different websites that are going to be very useful if you want to create content, but you don't want to show your face. In other words, faceless content. So a lot of people are making money online with these types of content, and it's really hot right now. All these digital marketing world is just taking off. It's just the beginning. It's not too late to get started. You can start out of nothing really, and you can do it from all over the world. So if this is something you've been considering, let me show you. Okay, the first website is called contentcove.com. And here you can see a lot of different faceless videos that you can see when you go to faceless accounts. You can check here those, those beautiful videos where you see women walking on the street or typing on their computer, holding drinks, coffees, and whatever, like those videos can be found here. You can see the quality is really good as well. So that's the first website I recommend. The second website that you can use is called thestudiobrief.com. And same thing, you can check. You'll have some beautiful faceless videos, B-rolls, training, entrepreneur coffee. So if you just want to have coffee videos, POV, travel, studio, wellness. So they have different categories and there's a price for that. So depending on what's your budget, you can check them out. But this is a good one as well for faceless content. They also have an affiliate program if you're interested in affiliate marketing. The third website is called forfolk.com. Same thing, you have beautiful faceless videos that you can find. Um, Same type of videos as the other two websites. So you can become a member and then you'll be able to use the content of this website. The fourth website is called socialstock.co. So social stocks. And same thing, you have different types of categories: POV, motherhood, modest training, content creation, entrepreneur, woman of color, intro videos, content creator. Again, there's a price for that. So here's the pricing to be able to use their faceless content. You can pay quarterly and it would be like 120 USD every 3 months. So if you have a very popular faceless Instagram account, let's say, or TikTok account, you're making money selling MRR courses or affiliate marketing or anything like that, this price is good. I mean, depending on how much you're making every month, but it can be interesting if you need to produce a lot of content. Um, yeah, so keep that one in mind. Social stocks, that's CO. And our fifth website is paxia.com. Again, same as the other four websites. You have training now, faceless marketing. There's a price again to be able to use those videos. So you can decide on what would be interesting for you and your budget. So they use apparently 10 monthly credits, so 10 download credits added to your account every month. This one is $40 USD per month. It looks like it's on sale, so that's pretty interesting if you want to join. They have different categories. You can check here. So let's check them out quickly. Season and holiday. Okay. So we can go back to the start and see what they have here in faceless marketing. Yeah, so those videos are very popular where you see like women walking on the street with something in their hands, like a coffee. That's so popular. Flowers. Never seen that one, but obviously it is as well popular. Entrepreneurs, so with a laptop, or those are very, very trendy. So again, check this one out. And I've got a bonus one that I want to show you as well. That's interesting if you don't want to spend any money. So let's check it out. So the bonus one is pexels.com. You can literally download the videos for free. So let's say you want to put walking with a coffee, you know, because this is very popular in the faceless content videos that we see all over the place. So here you can check the videos. Again, it's probably not as good as the ones of the other websites because it's free, but you can look up and see if there's anything that could be useful for you and for free, especially when you start. I understand that when you start, you don't have a high budget and you want to have some results before you can spend money in your business. So, using any free websites that can help you to make your first income online can be great. So, you can definitely check pexels.com. They have a ton of videos, and you just need to tweak the search bar here and change the words, put what you want, and see what comes up. But yeah, check them out as well. Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If it was useful and if you think you're gonna create some faceless content, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, just don't hesitate to comment down below. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have, and I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. See you guys.